So there we go. We are all set. My eyebrow is very basic, nothing special. Just a little bit of like this. It's a product from Etude and it's really nice. I try to make my eyebrow as natural as possible. There you go. Then, after the eyebrow, I usually have I'm using the Super Stay Matte Ink from Maybelline. Yes, there you go. According to my Maltese friends, you have to cover the full lip as they're dying to have a pouty big lip. So you have to cover all of it. Yeah. And since I'm a very basic woman, I also use the Flormar for my eyelashes. I have a very short eyelashes. Yeah, there. And finally, in order not to look pale, I blend this shower blusher. Just make it like that. Brush somewhere there. Blend it again. And there you go. Actually, it seems like nothing changed. But that's how I do my very basic daily makeup. Nothing special. Then I do my contour here. Oh, nasobra, no? Uh-oh. We're gonna blend it later. Yeah. There you go. So you see how I look now? It's really very simple since I am not really a professional makeup artist, but it's how I make myself glam in my daily chores. So a little bit of So that's my daily makeup routine. I hope you like it. So I'm ready to ramp. I'm ready to face the world. There you go. Nothing special, just very basic. I'm gonna show you the reverse of my camera. So I hope you like it. If you have more suggestions, don't hesitate to leave your comments. I would be very willing to reply to your suggestions, and I would be very glad to read those. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Stay safe, everyone. If you need more time, since we have a lot of time, yeah, this is my one way of killing my lockdown time. So I hope you find yours and stay safe. Bye.